13 places your man secretly wants you to touch during intimacy. Where to touch a man during sex. Where do guys like to be touched while kissing? How to arouse a man with touch. Sensitive parts of a man during romance. Hey ladies, have you ever been in the middle of an intimate moment and thought to yourself, am I really turning him on the way I should? If you're tired of guessing or just want to take your bedroom game to the next level, then you've landed on the right video. Today we're uncovering 13 places your man secretly wants you to touch during sex and romance. These aren't just obvious spots. Some of these will surprise you and completely change how your man reacts to your touch. So whether you're in a long-term relationship or exploring new chemistry, these touch points will make your man feel wanted, desired, and absolutely turned on. Make sure to stay till the end because number 9 is something most women don't even consider, but it could change everything. Let's dive right in. Sensual touch points. 1. His neck, the shiver zone. Start slow. The neck is loaded with nerve endings. Gently kiss, nibble, or softly breathe against his neck. It's intimate, unexpected, and almost always gets a reaction. Don't rush. Let your lips linger and watch the goosebumps rise. 2. His ears, whisper and tease. Ears are incredibly sensitive, yet they're often overlooked. Lightly trace the edges, nibble gently, or whisper something naughty. That mix of sensation and suspense? Total game changer. 3. His inner thighs, the forbidden zone. This one's powerful. Instead of heading straight for the goods, take your time on the inner thighs. Soft touches, teasing strokes. This builds anticipation like crazy. 4. His face, gentle, loving, and seductive. Touch his face during eye contact or kissing. Run your fingers along his jawline or massage his temples. It builds emotional closeness while arousing his senses. Romance meets raw desire here. 5. His hands, underestimated and powerful. Holding hands? Intimate. But during sex, use his hands. Place them on your body, guide them, or hold them tight. Let your touch communicate how much you want him. 6. His feet, the surprise spot. A gentle foot massage during foreplay can be incredibly relaxing and erotic. It's intimate and unexpected, making it even more exciting. 7. The shaft, with a twist. No surprise here, but it's about how you touch it. Light strokes up and down the shaft, not necessarily a full-on hand job, can make him crave more without giving it all away just yet. Advanced and underrated spots. His testicles, handle with care. They're delicate, yes, but they're also incredibly responsive. Use soft, teasing movements. Gentle caresses or light fondling can drive him wild, especially during oral. 9. His G-spot. Yes, men have one too. This is where you both need trust and consent. The male G-spot, located inside near the prostate, can deliver mind-blowing pleasure if he's open to it. Communicate and explore, slowly and respectfully. 10. His butt, a bold move. A playful smack or gentle squeeze can be super stimulating. It's unexpected and dominant in the best way. Confidence is key here, so don't hesitate to take control. 11. His nipples, super sensitive. You love it and guess what? So does he. Use your tongue, lightly suck or tease with your fingertips. Start slow and build up as he responds. You'll know when you've hit the right spot. 12. His tongue, kissing like never before. Don't just kiss, play. Suck his lower lip, trace his tongue with yours, then pull away for a second. That pause makes him chase you. And that chase builds insane tension. Finish strong. 13. His hair, total power move. Running your fingers through his hair while kissing shows affection. But grabbing his hair gently during a passionate moment? That shows dominance and drive. Tilt his head back, own the moment, and let him feel your passion in full force. Now that you know where to touch a man during sex and romance, don't be afraid to experiment. The key to incredible intimacy is curiosity and confidence. Remember, it's not just about arousal, it's about connection. When you touch him with intention, he feels desired, respected, and wanted on a whole new level. So go ahead, turn up the heat, take the lead, and let these 13 magic spots guide the way. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which of these surprised you the most? Or do you have a secret tip of your own? Until next time, stay bold, stay sexy.